I know what you're thinking by the title of this video, but no, my car is not, and it never will be, going to the scrapyard. Hi, what's happening there guys, and welcome to this video. And today you're joining me down at the garage because I've got a couple of bits to do. As you can see, I've moved a couple of bits in, the bumper's still here, a couple of door cards and a set of black ST170 wheels. Now, it's a bit of a sad one, right? Because you know, on the last video, we put the wheels on Jace's car and we sprayed them. Yeah, we stripped it. I said to him, take off the things you want and then I'll deal with the rest. So he's not got no issue with that. So he took off what he wanted, which was the front bumper, the rear bumper, obviously being collection, EGR spoiler, and he wanted the radio. So I had the rest, including my old ST170 wheels, which I've just sprayed black. But my wheels need refurbing. They're an absolute state. They're absolutely filthy. There's paint chipping off them and there's curb rash. They're just horrible. But my plan is either next week or the week after, I'm hopefully gonna get the wheels powder coated and or sprayed. I don't know yet, but I'm just stuck on a colour. Do I go silver? Do I go black? Do I go anthracite? Do I go titanium, the colour that came in? Or do I go a different colour? Let me know down in the comments what you think I should do. But for now, let's get started. Just trying to sort some shit out. Garage is getting there. I'll get my wheels off. They can stay in here, and then hopefully next week or the week after we can take them and get them done. But like I said, I ain't sure on colour. I'm sure we can work it out. Let's get cracking with the wheels. Oh, I hate it. I'm really going to have to get them refurbed. Just goes to show how low my arse end is though. I'll show you this. The 170 wheels actually filling the arches. They fit in the arches. My other ones, the offset comes out and they're so close. Oh well, they'll do for now. But we'll go get my wheels refurbed in a couple of weeks. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Leaving the garage. Locked up, everything's packed away. The 170 wheels are on, and in my opinion, they look nothing as impressive as the XXR 527 wheels. But for now, they'll have to do. Yeah, Jason's stripping his car. He's got a work van and he's got the car. He can't afford to run the car, which is fair enough. Absolutely fair enough, I'll give him that. I've got to make my way back now. So it is now 20 past 11. And then meet this guy. It's getting picked up, as in literally picked up. But there's nothing you can do about it. Car's got to go. But at least it freed up the wheels so I can put them on this so I can get mine refurbed. We're going to say goodbye to the 1.4 Focus that I called Nancy. Sad times. Right, so that's it for this video. Please stay tuned because I've got a bit of a surprise for you coming up in the next couple of days. And yeah, sad day. What a fucking sad day. Jake's going to be crying his eyes out once he sees this. So he knew he was going to the scrapyard, he just didn't know where. So yeah. Till next time, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button somewhere down there, and I'll catch you all on the next one.